Welcome again, dear friends. In this video tutorial, we will see that how conditional formatting works. Clicking here, the conditional formatting, some of the rules which I will apply here and we'll see the results of each rule. For the first one, which is greater than, I'm going to apply this rule on the selected cell, that is on the selected column, which is column H for the marks. Now clicking the column H and coming towards the conditional formatting and clicking here the greater than. So after clicking greater than, here you can see different numbers have been say, uh, highlighted. So I want the marks which are greater than 400 should be highlighted. So I wrote here 400 and now you can see that the marks which are greater than 400 are highlighted. So this is the application of greater than formatting tool, conditional tool. Now I want to remove this conditional tool formatting from the selected column. So I will select the column and I will come here to the conditional formatting and I will click here clear rules. So here are two options, whether you want to clear rules from selected cells or you can also do by the entire sheet. Now I will click this one, the first one. So the rules have been cleared. So this was the application of a greater than. Now in the same manner you can do for the less than. So writing here 350 if sorry first selecting the column and now here writing the marks which are less than 350 for example and clicking OK. Now you can see the marks which are less than 350 is highlighted. You can also see that the cell's values which is less than 350 is also highlighted. So in this manner you can highlight the cell. Clear the rules again from the entire from the select. For this task I'm going to do from the entire sheet. So you can see that I have removed all the conditional formatting. Now checking the other one, that is in between. So here you can see now I'm going to add here the 400, 350 and 400. Clicking OK. Sorry, coming again here and writing here 350 and 400. Okay, so the cells are highlighted which lies in between 400 and 350. Like this one, you can see the value is lying in between 400 and 350. In the same manner you can see here also for the above. Again removing the conditional values, the conditional formatting from the selected cells. Now checking the other one, that is equal to. For example, the value which you want to be equal to for any specified value. For example, I want to highlight the value which is equal to 422. Clicking OK. Now only the one value which is 422 is highlighted for the name Kashif Khan. Again removing the rules Now text that contains, for example, I want to highlight the name which contain any text like A, B, C, D or something like any word, etc. Now I want to highlight the cells which have M in their names. So clicking M, now the cells have been highlighted which have M. Changing from M to, like I'm adding NA, the names which have the NA value would be highlighted. So here you can see two names have been highlighted, and here the names also. The heading is consisting of NA, so the names as well as Hassan Naveed and Anas Khan having two letters, that is AN or NA. So therefore you can see that both of the cells have been highlighted. Clearing the rules again, check the other rule. You can also use for a date occurring, so I haven't mentioned here any date, therefore I cannot do it now. And you can use the duplicate values conditional formatting tool. So here clicking the column H and coming here and again entering the values, that is duplicate values. Now you can see all the values which are duplicated here will be highlighted. Here you can see the 395 and 395 for Kamran Khan as well as from the Imtiaz Ahmed. Both have the same values, that is 395 and 395. The 402 for Z and here Suhail Shahid. In the same manner you can see S and David have got 376 marks, and for Amin Visal you can also see here 376 marks. So hope you got the conditional formatting tools applications. Now I want to remove it again, clicking this sheet, the columns, and clicking the rules from the sentences. Hope you got this video tutorial. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.